Hi, I'm Yumiko, and I'm one of the co-founders of Singapore's pioneer eco-fashion brand Etrican. Ragosh and I were both living in Japan, and I was working in the fashion industry, and I got to know about organic cotton from there, and we started this idea of having our own eco-fashion brand. Our clothing, I'm actually wearing one here. All our clothes are made of organic cotton, and we source the organic cotton from India. Our accessories are also made in India, and we work with an NGO in New Delhi, and they collect the materials like used car tire and also scrap fabrics from large fabric factories, and we collect them and we make them into wallets and bags. A lot of our work is also to do with raising awareness, because when we came here about 2 years ago, people didn't really know about organic cotton and like generally eco-friendly lifestyles. So we give talks in school, and we also get involved with university activities and things like that to raise awareness. Over the past 2 years, I think we've started seeing a lot more people who are interested and also aware of organic cotton. When they pass by our booth and when they see the organic cotton, they're like, oh, it's organic cotton, like they know about it already. And I think that's one of the very good things about Singapore, that ideas and information gets passed on quite easily and quickly as well. So yeah, I'm quite excited for that.